Okay, this is a heads up for people with food benefits, and that includes disabilities, Social Security, SSI. You'll still be getting your SSI and Social Security, but your food benefits are temporarily paused. Issuance November SNAP benefits. This is for Michigan, and it's a blue state. October 23rd, 2025. Lansing, Michigan, the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services received communication from the federal government, Department of Agriculture, USDA, Food and Nutrition Service, indicating that due to the ongoing federal government funding lapse, there may be limited availability of funds to pay full November supplemental nutrition assistance program SNAP benefits for approximately 42 million individuals across the nation. FNS has unfortunately directed MDHHS to hold November SNAP issuance and ongoing benefits until further notice. The federal government delay of SNAP benefits will place Michiganders at a risk of food insecurity and poverty. SNAP, critical program for families and individuals across Michigan, access food in is the nation's largest food assistance program and one of the most effective tools to reduce food insecurity. Nearly 13% of Michigan households, approximately 1.4 million people, receive SNAP benefits. About 43% are families with children, and 36 are families with members who are older adults and disabled. The impact of households losing SNAP benefits will be felt around the state, said Elizabeth Herzl, MDHHS director. SNAP is more than a food assistance program, it's a lifeline for many Michigan families. It helps families put nutritional food on the table, supports local farmers and grocers, and strengthens our communities and economy. We are strongly disappointed by the USDA's decision to delay the assistance, and in Michigan will do what can to help blunt this impact. SNAP participants should reach out to their local MDHHS office with any questions. Now, I told, when this COVID thing happened a few years ago, something inside me, and I believe it was the spirit, told me to start stocking up on stuff. So, this is going to hurt a lot of people. I mean, I couldn't work if I wanted to because I have a bad leg, and my sister has no legs, and well, I have a brother that is 72 that's working. You know, you got all these people with these humongous numbers of kids that have kids out for the purpose of getting food benefits. But now that they're doing this, they're talking about going into stores and doing bad stuff and this and that. So be careful when you go if you have to go to the store. I also encourage anybody who has extra money and they get Social Security or whatever they get is to at least buy something: potatoes, flour, uh, rice. You have to buy uh, powdered milk if you know. Would probably be the cheapest way to go if you need to make gravies or anything like that. If you don't have baking powder, get baking powder. Sugar, if you don't have sugar. Stuff that you can make biscuits with and stuff like that. And also, you can go to your food bank, and this is going to be hard on food banks because of this. So they usually give out stuff for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Um, I'm just so thankful that I did, you know, I mean, I would have to get something for Thanksgiving and stuff like that, but I don't have to worry for a couple months at least. So, but some do. I mean, they're not prepared for this stuff. And I am so angry with the government for giving Argentina $40 billion dang dollars to help their country because they're suffering. And they ain't helping this country at all. And this is a blue state. And they're too dang. Shoot, Greta Whitmer was caught freaking fudging the job numbers when she said there was 4,200 jobs, or jobs created. No one, they would be funded for it, but they put the money somewhere else. So she was caught doing that. So it's not, it's both of them. But I want to tell you that, and I know if you get paid like SSI the first, you might want to, if you get veterans benefits, you might want to look that up. See if you're going to get your benefits there. But yeah, so I would, if you have any little extra money that you can spare without going out and getting, if you have planned for something extravagant, you may have to just forego that for a while and get stuff that you need. Like I said, there's food pantries, there's a lot of different things. Look up your local health and human services in your area and check out where your food banks and all that stuff is. There was a guy in our state, or somebody, that a rich person gave $1 million to the food banks. So that was very generous of that person. You know, see, there's good people out there. There's good people who have money out there too. So, with that said, I just wanted to come on here. This is something I don't usually do, but be careful if you go in the store after the first because these people are going to get nuts. I'm telling you, and I told you before any of this stuff happened. If somebody's kid is crying about being hungry, these people are going to get desperate. So, with that being said, God bless. Take care of yourself, like I said, and do what you can. If you know, do the best you can. My daughter gave me, this was before this, 4 bags of coffee. My sister-in-law helped me pay for my glasses, so which was nice of her. But my brother's lucky. Please, those cards, lottery. And that helped me pay for my glasses so I can go and get my glasses. So with that said, God bless y'all, and just do what you can. Make do with what you have, and God bless. Thank you. Bye. Peace and love.